Hi everyone, this is our 25th episode of our Singapore road trip. In this episode, we will take a look at some of the cool and weird vending machine which we came across during our Singapore road trip.
From cold stuffs to hot stuffs, from electronic gadgets to fancy vintage sports car, all type of things you can get in a vending machine in Singapore, and this episode you will find them all.
In early days, you can only get cold canned drinks in a vending machine, and then the evolution of vending machine took place. And right now, you can get anything from instant noodles, potato chips, crispy fried crackers, and biscuits and chocolates.
This is one such a typical vending machine which you can find in most parts of Singapore. The mode of payment initially used to be only coins, but now they accept a wide range of payment ranging from bank notes, credit cards, Samsung Pay, Apple Pay, and other touch and go cash cards.
Gone are the days when we used to run behind ice cream uncle in a motorcycle, and now we are standing right in front of a ice cream dispensing vending machine. Just imagine the condition of the vending machine if there is a power failure or a power disruption at that area. Not only drinks and snacks, you can also get any type of electronic gadgets at the vending machine like phone chargers, power bank, Bluetooth, thumb drive, etc. If you forgot to bring one, you don't need to go all the way back home, just find a vending machine which dispenses them at a affordable rate. This type of gadget dispensing vending machine comes very handy for last minute travelers who forgot to get their hands on important gadgets while traveling. Evolution didn't spare the vending machine. The typical classic display of the showcase of items was replaced by a digitalized screen. Not only pre-packed drinks and snacks you can get at a vending machine, you can also get freshly squeezed orange juices like this. If that doesn't surprise you, how about a freshly crushed sugarcane juice like this vending machine, which is supposed to be the first sugarcane vending machine in Singapore. To grab the things which we need on the go, but this laundry vending machine is really overboard. There is really nothing which you can't get from a vending machine. How about some freshly fried snacks and cooked food? Gone are the days where we used to go to a cinema hall to grab some tasty popcorn. Now you can get a wide varieties of popcorn at the vending machine itself. Do you want to surprise someone with a surprise gift? How about a tiny piece of jewelry, a fashion jewelry? This vending machine which dispenses fashion jewelries and tiny earrings, watches, jewels comes very handy. It reminds me of the gold bar dispensing vending machine at Dubai Airport. In every gain, there is a loss. With this newspaper dispensing vending machine, We lost the livelihood for the newspaper vendors who used to go floor by floor, unit by unit for decades delivering newspapers to us. This vending machine dispensing government issued face masks is definitely a need and necessity during this pandemic. Now the shop and pick vending machine are popping around the island, which is so-called a reverse vending machine where you purchase items online and you can have a delayed collection at this vending machine slots. The vending machine are really getting innovative day by day in Singapore and everywhere in the world. Nowadays, you can also get frozen salmon fish at a vending machine, and this vending machine dispensing Norwegian salmon fish is the world's first vending machine to do such a thing. Last but not the least, and this is the latest and coolest vending machine which was added to Singapore, and it can be said this is the rich man's vending machine which dispenses fancy vintage type sports car. Hope you enjoyed this episode of our Singapore road trip. Don't forget to click the subscribe and hit the bell button so that you don't miss out my future videos. Stay tuned for our next episode. Until then, take care and bye.